Well, this video just shows a brief reconstruction of a proposed new transformer to replace an existing smaller one. I'm just showing the structure around the transformer and the trenching associated with the conduits and cables and conduits. And what we're going to do is essentially disassemble the structure and then reassemble it. So if you walk around, you'll see the model locks very nicely in position and stays nicely oriented, which is the first thing to do with augmented reality. The models look semi-realistic. I think it should be reasonable. Now let's see if we can actually just disassemble it. I apologize for my thumb over the part of the camera. So just choosing layer control can turn features on and off. So here I'm just going to just slowly turn each type of layer off. The concrete pad, little covers on each end, the hard fill on the center, which takes the bulk of the weight of the transformer. Then it shows the wooden structure embedded in the ground and the excavation that's required to support that. So it sits down at the right level. And let's put it all back together again. So here we are looking at the low voltage end. So we put the hard fill in, the wooden surround, the wooden structure, the concrete slab that sits on top, the two end covers that provide protection into the pit under the transformer, and where the cables come up, and then the transformer on top. So I hope that makes sense. Just a quick example, and in the background we can see the old transformer sitting there due to be replaced.